The audience is seeing an entertaining film. They're not going with the expectation that it is Arjun ki picture or Balki ki picture. They're seeing Ki and Ka in that moment. They're enjoying 2 hours. And the audience verdict matters eventually in the bigger picture. See, these kind of films, I felt very happy about the fact that the audience has validated even what I liked about the script. That is, they're connecting with the characters. They're finding the story endearing. There's a lot of positivity that has come out from the audience saying, life should be a bit more like this. So there's a nice shine to the story, and the audience has caught on to that. I've always been told not to do things that I've done and I've pulled off. So I'm very happy about this being another feather in my cap that way. मुझे सबने बोला था एक्टर मत बनो, बन गया. मुझे सबने बोला रोमांटिक पिक्चर मत करना, 2 स्टेट्स की, चल गई. सबने बोला टीवी बिल्कुल मत करना, होस्ट नहीं कर पाओगे, मैंने किया, चल गया. फिर मुझे बोला भाई तुम तो एक्शन हीरो हो, तुम घर कैसे संभालोगे, कुकिंग वुकिंग ये तुमको शोभा नहीं देगा, कैसा रोल है ये, कर दिया, चिपक गया, ऑडियंस को पसंद आया. Thus proving it's good to be an underdog sometimes, because you should know that you're capable of doing certain things and you can pull it off.
Feelings, I mean, very, very complex feelings. But I'm happy that people have liked the film, and it's lovely to kind of see the film with the audience in the theaters. You know, we all have very many intellectual takes on the film, saying it is this and it is that. But the audience just goes to see an entertaining film, and they're having great fun with it. It's not a film that's there to kind of make a statement or it's not a documentary. It's an entertaining film, and that's what I think the audience went to see, and they got it. That's what really you love, when they get exactly what you wanted them to get.
My most well-reviewed film is Finding Fanny, and my most appreciated performance is also Finding Fanny by the reviewers. That is a certain sensibility and a certain regard that they have for certain kind of cinema. You have to also keep the audience in mind when you review a film. Sometimes that gets missed. It becomes very intimate and personal. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपको ऐसी पिक्चर बनानी चाहिए थी. अरे नहीं बनाई भाई, हमने जो पिक्चर बनाई है वो देश के आवाम के लिए बनाई है. आप उस नजरिए से देख के रिव्यू देंगे, I appreciate it. There are some I agree with, some I disagree with. If you get personal, यार, we feel because he is Balki, he should make a film certain way. That feels a little silly. He is also allowed to have a change of heart. He wants to make a light, simple, sweet film. Why not? He doesn't have to bring a social change overnight with the film. But I understand where the critics are coming from. They have an opinion and a point of view about it because they have an expectation. The audience is seeing an entertaining film. They're not going with the expectation that it is Arjun ki picture or Balki ki picture. They're seeing Ki and Ka in that moment. They're enjoying 2 hours. And the audience verdict matters eventually in the bigger picture. See, these kind of films, obviously, you expect the critics to give it love so it does even better. But we have defied all odds. The film has done well because the audience has connected. So it's an exception to the rule. It's nice to be the exception to the rule. I think that gets remembered more often than the regular ones that do well because of the support. Sometimes, despite not getting the support for a film like this, when it does well, you kind of realize that there's a very big audience in our country. There are a lot of taste palettes that you have to fill. And hopefully even the reviewers will reassess. Even we've reassessed. We've thought about what they said. Some make sense, some don't. Maybe even they'll reassess. Yaar, maybe we shouldn't be so harsh. It's a film at the end of the day. They get a little vindictive sometimes, which is silly because we are making a film for the audience. See, listen, everybody has a right to an opinion. They've been writing for a while. They have their own opinion. They have their own take on cinema. I've always taken reviews in a certain regard, and then beyond that, I've always looked at box office because I'm a producer's son. So it's not ever been that I've been bogged down by good or bad reviews. Eventually the audience love keeps you going in this profession and nothing else. Good reviews cannot make you get better films beyond a point. It's the box office collections. But yeah, like Balki sir is saying, at the end of the day, maybe they need to also reassess sometimes. Like how we reassess. We put our hands up and say, yaar, अच्छा इस बार नहीं चली. हम समझ गए. हम अगली बार better बनाएंगे, कोशिश करेंगे. I remember the last film that happened was Chak De India. It got 1 star, 1.5 star on Friday. And Monday morning, everybody had turned to 4 stars. No, it's a fact. If you notice, there were a lot of people who came out not appreciating Chak De in the beginning on the first day. It didn't take a flying start either. And the film just grew, and a lot of people put their hands up, which I feel is still fair.
There are some critics who have actually re-reviewed the film, and they revised their ratings on this particular film. It has happened. Hats off to them. Really, I really applaud them for their...
Like, somebody had to apologize for the film that he made called Fitur, because he felt he had let down certain people. When a director is apologizing to people, I think that firstly, why has that happened? And secondly, at the end of the day, even a critic should then say, chalo, is baar humko samajh nahi aaya, audience ko samajh aaya, maybe we were wrong. That, I feel, is more important than us holding on to the stars that they gave or not. it's not constructive at the end of the day. I hope after this, maybe somebody says, "Chal, yeah, theek hai, we learned out of this. Next time, we'll be a little more open-minded about watching a film that we feel the audience will connect to." Because this, how can this emotion not connect with India? When you're watching this film, I'm saying I did it only because I know, यार, हर हिंदुस्तानी घर में ये कहानी है, ये बातचीत होती है. तो fundamentally, at a foundation level of the story, the connect will always be there. So then, why are they so against it? Why are they so upset about it? Because it's a conversation that we have at home, so it becomes boring. I don't know. I didn't understand some of the reviews, but it's fine.
There's some guys who got really, imagine one reviewer. I mean, he really needs to kind of watch a lot more films first before reviewing. He actually had the gall to criticize the camera work on the film, which I think is actually quite beautiful.